Hello and welcome to Hot Cocoa with Chocolate Spoons with Tewksbury Public Library. My name is Emily Leggett. I'm the teen librarian here and I will be guiding you through this today. So if you didn't get a kit from the library, these are the ingredients that you'll need. If you want to make it sweeter, you can add anything else, but that's the base kit of what you'll need. First things first, you're going to start with a bowl or a mug. If it's a mug, make sure it is wider, otherwise all the ingredients will not fit in it. So you're going to take your bag of sugar, milk, chocolate chips, 4 pinches of salt, and your cocoa powder, and pour it into your bowl or mug. As a reminder, we are using dry milk, so it looks a little bit yellowy. That's that package that you're pouring in. Once you've poured everything into the bowl, you can stir it up a little bit if you would like. You're going to set that to the side. This next step you're going to want parent help with. You're going to boil 1 cup of water. So put 1 cup of water in and wait till it comes to a boil. Once it does, you are going to pour that water into your bowl or mug and stir everything up. Once there is a good consistency and everything is smooth, you're going to set that to the side. Next, you're going to take out your candy melts from the bag with the marshmallows. You can set the marshmallows aside and you're going to put them in 2 separate bowls. So as you can see here, I have a bowl with chocolate and a bowl with peppermint candy melts. You are going to put a bowl into your microwave. Now, reminder, it depends on the strength of your microwave, for about 30 seconds. Mix it, and then in 10-second increments. It will look like they're still solid candy melts until you mix them, and then you'll tell that they're melted. You want to really only do 10-second increments because it's easy for these to burn. So once they're out, you'll mix them in really well to make sure there's no chunks. Scoop up some chocolate and tilt your spoon a little bit. This is the spoon that you're going to make your chocolate spoon with, so you want to make sure you're comfortable leaving it in the fridge. So once you have the base coat of chocolate, you're going to put it on a plate and put it in the fridge. It takes about 5 minutes, but it's dependent on your fridge, so it may take a little bit more for the chocolate to harden. There are tons of ways to do this. You can put the peppermint on the bottom, you can put chocolate on the bottom, you can do designs in it, you can just do one or the other. You can make as many spoons as you'd like, just knowing that if you're using a plastic spoon like we did, don't bite it, you'll break the spoon. Otherwise, you're good to go. And then you can mix that into your hot cocoa if you'd like, so it'll melt the chocolate and the peppermint in, or you can have them as 2 separate snacks. And of course, don't forget to add your marshmallows there on the end once your hot chocolate is ready to enjoy. We hope you enjoyed this very quick and easy tutorial on how to make hot chocolate or hot cocoa and chocolate spoons. As always, if you have your creation and want to show us, we would love to see it. You can share it with us on social media. And as a reminder, Foodie Friday is a monthly event, so you can register and check out what else we're offering at tewksburypl.org. Thanks so much for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you next time.